Okay, Assalamualaikum all Malaysians, all yang dengar ni, I ask for this to be spread wide. Kita jaga kita. We protect each other, okay? Now, I received this SMS. I tahu ramai orang receive this SMS. It comes from a handphone number. Now, purportedly from courier companies ataupun post laju or whatever. Now, post laju and courier companies don't write to you, the company do not write to you, SMS you from a mobile number. They don't do this. Dia selalu from 5-digit number or whatever. Okay? So now they're telling you there's a package. Jadi kalau orang yang tak ada package, dia tahu, dia ignore je. I don't have any package. Tapi dia kata dah sampai kat warehouse, tapi incorrect address. Incorrect address and therefore, you please confirm address. Dia minta tu. Dia beg you to give your name, your details, your address. Semua bagi semua dulu. Okay. That point on, there's no harm done yet. There is still no harm done kalau you bagi address dengan nama apa semua tu. There's nothing, no issue. Okay. Lepas dah bagi address apa semua tu, so therefore for redelivery apakah, you need to make a small payment. And therefore, dia minta, now the next page, dia minta you punya bank account dan dia punya credit card number, you kena boh, you punya CVC, semua cukup. Now, this is the scam. This is where when you put in, you think you are paying Post Malaysia ataupun courier services, tapi you are giving access to the scammer to take money from your account. That's how they hack and they can siphon everything from your account. This is going around. I'm not sure whether the police is on taps on this or not. Tapi, you akan dapat this kind of message. And bagi orang yang selalu beli pada Lazada, Shopee and whatnot, right? This will not come to you through Post Malaysia and whatnot. You can always check the Shopee and Lazada to verify if you know something you've ordered. Tak sampai. Okay? You can do that. And if you are expecting the packages, you can be caught. You can be trapped here. You can think that, ini barang aku tak sampai-sampai lagi ni. Didn't arrive yet. This is the problem. The seller must have put the wrong address. So let me update my address. It's okay for you to update your address believing that it is a genuine pun. Tak apa. Itu no harm done. But the minute it asks for your credit card details or your bank account, for you to make a payment transfer, they will take all those details now and you will suddenly see, ridiculous charges on your credit card. All your money from your account will be siphoned out. So be careful of this message. Dapat this message, you can either delete or you can just forward to police or whatever the case may be. But do not be trapped and duped. And please share it because we must protect each other. We cannot feed and allow the predators, the fraudsters, to continue, getting money, making money from rakyat, from people. The more money they get, the more encouraged they become, the stronger they become, the more incentive they will have to be more creative on how to defraud the public. Hope you are with me to educate others.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.